Alright guys, Zaxtor99 back here with hopefully a video or some advice that'll help some of you guys that have Android phones. Guys, it took me forever and many alarm clock apps before I finally came across one that I actually love. And I want to go ahead and shout this little app out on the Google Play Store for Android phones. I did search for it. I don't see that it's available for iPhones, but if you have an Android, you're looking for an amazing little alarm clock app that's going to work, that's going to wake you up, I absolutely love this one. Now, it does have ads if you install it for free, but I only paid $3 for it last year, $2.99 to unlock the ads, and that was well worth the $3 investment. Some of these apps want to charge you as much as like $5 or even $7 a month to use the app. What a ripoff. Yeah, $3 paid once, and then if you ever like factory reset your phone and you don't remember the name of this app, you can either come back to this video or you can just look in your history of your Google purchases and you're going to find it. It's the Talking Alarm Clock Beyond app. Guys, you can see it's got almost 100,000 reviews, getting an average of a 4.7 stars out of 5. It has over 5 million downloads at this time. And the reasons I like this app is because it's extremely easy to use and set up multiple different alarms if you need that. Different days, you can set up, alarm for 5:45 a.m. on Monday and Wednesday if you need to. You can set up another alarm for maybe the other days of the week for a different time if you need to. It's very easy to add different alarms for different times. It has your stopwatch. It has, your simple clock. And then by default, this alarm clock, it lets you choose what kind of alarm you want, what it sounds like. If it's just a loud buzzing or if it's something a lot more mellow, a little tune or whatever. You have a lot of different tunes to choose from. And then one thing I love about it is by default, the alarm will start off low. So you choose a nice little tune or whatever, and it starts kind of low. You can set the volume that it starts at however you want. There's a slider bar that you can set however, how loud it is when it starts. But then as you go on, so it'll start low and it'll go. Now it won't get that loud that fast, but it'll slowly get louder and louder to make sure your ass is up in case you're having a good dream or whatever. You got to get up and go to work. You got to get up and whatever it is you have to do, right? So it's going to gradually get louder, and I absolutely love that because who wants to be woken up to something massively loud that'll wake you up, right? But it's really like obnoxious when it's just bam, 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 like super loud right away. This alarm clock is going to start at a lower volume, gradually get louder, so that it gradually wakes you up and you realize, you go from dream world into the real world and realize, hey, that's my alarm. I got to get my ass up, right? And it doesn't stop. It doesn't just like stop after like 15 or 20 seconds like some of these little apps do. Not only that, guys, but you can turn off the function of the name of the alarm, the talking alarm clock. So you can have like, I believe it's a female or a male voice basically telling you to get your ass up. So it'll actually talk to you and say, get up after so much time, which is all in the settings for the app as well. So again, you can turn that off if you don't like it, but I love that feature as well. All in all, a great experience with this particular application. I absolutely love it. Can't recommend it enough, guys. You'll find it on your Google Play Store on your Android phones. The Talking Alarm Clock Beyond. A one-time fee to unlock all the ads. That's well worth the $3 in my opinion. Maybe it's a little higher fee right now. Even if it was a $5 fee, I would pay that in a heartbeat for this little app. Love it, guys. Be sure you comment down below. Let me know if you went out and bought this little app or acquired this little app. Maybe try it first before you pay the fee to get rid of the ads. But the Talking Alarm Clock Beyond, let me know if you went and downloaded this app and let me know what your experience is with it. I would love to know down in the comments below. This has been Zaxtor99. And sometimes it's more than about video games, guys. It's about your real life, and that's what I'm hoping to help you with here. We'll see you in the next video, everybody. Take care.